Dimapuro area ni bumang
Bamon
Pukri jagawo जों Tripura sabai Dimasa ekei no जों परम्परा ni agi kecam ni simi no subrai ni je amol ni simi no je subrai ni busa kaisa raja angkha dikpoti abokha Dimasa ni raja agiwo tai daksin angkha Tripura ni raja borok ni 12 jona busa tongmani sei Bamon Pukri 12 jona sala tongo busa borok ni takuk mane no takuk mane 12 takuk amtui no maharaja ni busa जों abo pat khai jeta north east tongmani tabo abo no जों nana north east tongmani 12 jona busa rok klaibai khai tamo Duburi arwa Karbelong rok nini Kasari Karsian tarpore Dimasa Romdi nini Arunachal Sikkim Assam Akhum rajdhani rok bebak abo eki no raja tongmani agi puila raja tongmani kha Narakasur erpore tamo Hirambo raja Tripur abo eki no ko yang north east phasingo tongmanta engka जों tini malai laika chini eki bisa parampara ni agi ro जों je orobo tongui thamo orono agi to rajdhani tongmani subrai ni rajdhani Dimangor agi bo tongmani purana pehle naam tha tabo khai abo Dimapur ungkha ang orobo tabung malai phaiye जों buma kaisani busa takhuk bukhuk belai no hamjak khaksang ane kha hamjak kha khaksang tongchok jaka ang siksai no tini orobo muthak kha
Tripura ha January ni 17 rai thangba ha Sibrai Solong Bosong angke phaiba thi khana hi busi 150 kilometer gari jang lahirada angke Sibrai Solong ni oraha puja jabaha angki lungdara angke garau jomani riba meeting ha ode busi naroi sagau songba ang busini garau ibo meeting salayaba puja khalayaba jini Gurudev ke nuhi ang bune gamsa masi risa masi bo riba ri busi khajalaba khajai busibo subrai thidu jingbo sibrai thidu odejang madaila masi busi subrai thidu jing sibrai thidu busi puja khali ang oraha garau joba ang garau thiba jini oraha Dimapur Bamon Pukri habo sibrai puja sibrai bismai bosong hosom butu puja khlaidu thi khanara busi khajaba hamjaba odeja he busibo khanai he era phaimani khajaba niklai he dini Agartala ha gari kalau gahi dini Lamding Dimapura sopai he dini Bamon Pukri sopai dada dua erani hatani ni hangga jiro jak dimajiro janggoron he khrawro janggoron he dini sibrai bismai ni ojaro janggoron he dini khamlai songlai dini satali khajalai dahi dini jani bauthaima butuke busibo mitika jini bauthaima busi mitika busin bauthaima jing mitika ode dakhna 9 tere haitibari sibrai bismai bosongni masi gede sibrai ke puja khlaidu bidu bibaha meeting bojama khrawro bojom dama ibo habani mulok butu bojom dama ode thi busibo dakhna kithon mane busini guru jang boa khisu phaidu ar busike salaigadau committee boa subung secretary phaidu vice president phaidu organization secretary phaidu ode busini cultural tima ji phaifadu malarau Tripura ji malarau butu phaifadu garaula ang thigni wala elesining jamkha buthai lumka
on 8 February 2020 would the people of Tripura have arrived at the petty village of the Dimasa located at Baman Pokri under the city village of Dimapur. We have come specially on behalf of Subrai Swalong Society and its organization's basics in relation to religious structure in the name of Subrai Sulima Bosang. Especially, we would like to participate in the organizations of Subrai Bismai Bosang, which is in connection with the historical perspective as well as Dimasa's traditional culture and religion basis. So, in this regards, I am very gratifying and great pleasure for be able to participate in this program, and I am very glad, pleasure and gratifying for meeting with our blood brother, which is in the ancient years our great relations, and we are one of the families. Before the approximately 5,000 years ago, at that point of time, we are staying on the one family in these areas. So this is the, I believe and expect that this meeting, this celebration shall be historical affairs, and it shall be recorded in the history. And I believe and pray to the gods, this relation, this tie-up between the Dimasa and Tiprasa, this prosperous and harmony between each other, very essential. And because the blood brother, our relation between each other, it is very important as a one clans of family, as a one brothers of ours, one or father and mother or one friends. So these relationships we ought to try to continue in the future time also, and so the possibility we have done in regard to our history, our culture, our traditions and identities. Because with the people of Dimasa and Tiprasas, we are very ancient tribes in the world. The history says that, the history recorded that our tribes, our communities, our civilization is very ancient. Once civilization is very well known in the world, which is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which is some historians says that, refer that in the name of Suniti Kumar Chatterjee and J.P. Singh, they says that the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro derived from the Sini-Tibetan sub-family. As well as the terms of Bharata, it also derived from the Sini-Tibetan sub-family. It means that Sini-Tibetan sub-family means now at the present residing entire the northeast region, which is known as Borusa, Dimasa, Tiprasa, Kashari, Chanuwal, Deori, Tengal, Hajung. All the people comes under the Sini-Tibetan sub-family. So, when we started the civilization at the place of the Indus Valley, after that, another communities enter into these places. But we are very ancient tribes. So, though unfortunately we have forgotten about our some history, our culture, our religion, tradition also. Now, fortunately, now we are be able to reform against our ancient and precious culture and traditions. So, now the main themes and basis is that to believe, faith, worship to the Chibrai. This is the very ancient and precise tradition and usual process. Faith systematic, belief systematic about the Chibrai and our Shiva lords. In the meantime, in the years of 1999, after hundreds and hundreds years passes on, the Dimasa's people also have been relegated, have been forgotten about their history, culture. But whatever, they are being able to reform again in the name of Subrai Bismai Bosang for the purpose of worship, to maintain their tradition and this culture in the name of Dimasa. They would like to worship, maintain, believe, faith in the name of Shibrai. In the same time, with the people of Tiprasa also, we are actually reformed in the years of 2000, 2080, 7th day of April. This is surprisingly very miraculous matter. But the place of Lords, when our Gurudev, our Muprapha, had gotten the divine message in the day of, say, 7th day of April 2000 AD. This is very fortunate matter for our Tiprasa. During the periods of midnight, at around 12 to 1 o'clock, at that period, suddenly, one supranational power, one enlightened over him. As soon as when he saw that, it was similarity with the sun, and illuminated over him, and come up the sounds and uttering that, don't fear, don't afraid. I am the Subrai, I am the Subrai, I am the Subrai. You have to maintain, you people have to maintain in the name of Subrai Dharma, because you people not Hinduism, you people not the Jainism, not the Christianity, but also you people shall have their own religion in the name of Subrai. It is very ancient, very tradition. So, for the prosperous of the people, for the restoration of your land, for the development, for the salvation of your Atma, for the knowledge of your Atma Jnana or Moksha, you have to maintain your Subrai Dharma. At that point of time, with the people of the Prasa, we have been maintained the Subrai Dharma by the organizations of, or by the means of religious structure in the name of Subrai Surima Basha, organized by Subrai Swalam Society. This is our objective and our activities. So, these conceptions in the name of Subrai, it is very peculiar, very genius, because the Lord giving to us the conscious, the awareness regarding the methods of these divine words in the name of Subrai. Though during hundreds and hundred years, most of the people are forgotten regarding these divine words, which is in the name of Subrai. But again, our people very consciousness, which is, I can say that it is all the miracle, all the bliss of gods, all the grace of gods. Without His bliss and His kindness, nobody can do this consciousness. Nobody can do performing like this situation. So, this is our awareness, this is our consciousness in future day. We would like to spreading to all the Tiprasa, all the Dimasa, as well as. So the possibility we try to be spread and try to be performed for the humanism, irrespective of caste, community or nation and territory. Because with the people of Tiprasa, Dimasa, we believe to the humanism. With the people of Tiprasa, we believe to the all sections of people to beloved, irrespective of the caste, community of sex, race, and the nation. Because humanity is a humanity without respect and tolerance to the any group of sections, to the any kinds of the human organization, religious organizations. There is no meanings of religion, no meanings of administration of the country, there is no meaning administration of the king. First of all, we have to respect, we have to believe to all the living creatures, whoever inhabits on the earth. Because beloved and beloved, love and love, this is the main utterance, this is the main fundamental words for attaining in the place of spiritual perceptions. Because in our scripture says that in trance of Atma, there is equality of all sections of people, of all living creatures. But physical appearances may be different from each other. But our Atma, our unseen energy is equal, which is come from the supreme deity Lords, Almighty Lords. So in this sense,
Nini aku sujo